Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today, if you saw in the title, I'm going to be teaching you how to hit 100 subscribers. So it's actually pretty hard. People say it's harder than actually hitting 1,000, which I can agree with. But yeah, so 100 is one of your first big milestones. But I'm going to be teaching you in this video how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So like I said in the intro, today I'll be teaching you how to hit your first 100 subscribers. First things first, 100 subscribers can be one of the hardest things to hit on YouTube. Once you hit it, you will grow quicker. I'm going to just get straight into it right away. So the first thing is, like any person would say, is consistency. This is one of the most important things. Post as many times as you can in a week, at least once a week, preferably for the best growth 3 to 7 times a week. The more days, the more likely you are to grow to be recommended. Just to get a little bit more into that, don't overdo it, because if you overdo it, you're going to get tired of it. You're going to be like, well, I don't want to do this anymore. So do not overdo it. I would not recommend 7 times a week unless if you're ready to do that. But if you want to, I would. And just so you guys know, there will be some tips in here that I don't think I've heard any YouTubers say, but I have some tips in here that might help a lot more. Second is something that not many people say for YouTube, but get a fan base on another platform such as TikTok. Now, a lot of people do not like TikTok, but it's a super easy thing to grow on. It's super easy to do a lot of things on. So I would super likely recommend TikTok and lead them over to your channel. Be like, hey, I got a channel. It would be nice if you, went over and said, told them that you have a channel. Be nice about it. Don't beg. Don't be like unless if you're telling the truth, do not tell lies to them. But try to lead them over to your channel, and don't get mad if they don't. But just that can help grow, because you're leading more people over, more people to see your channel. Because like I said in the early stages, you do not get recommended as much for 100 subscribers. So try to get a fan base on another social platform that's easy, such as TikTok. So that's one of the things I would recommend. But yeah, just tell them about your channel, tell them what you do, and that should help a lot. Third, which is the next thing, is to find people on YouTube. There are millions of channels that will support you, and you can support each other. Go find a channel, watch them. If you like their channel and like their content, tell them you like their channel, but don't lie about it. Actually like your channel and tell them great work. That most likely they'll come over and check out your channel, be like, oh, this seems like a nice person, and make them feel welcome. They'll come over to your channel, and don't do it just for that. And then you can also support them too. So it's a support back and forth. You can support each other, and that's what I would do. And that's how you grow your first 100, because it's harder to get recommended before your first 100. So that's what I would do. Preferably, that's what I would do. And so yeah. And when they come to your channel, they will most likely watch your streams and videos. There are times where they'll just subscribe, and there's times where they'll do nothing at all. But most likely, they'll come and watch your streams and videos. So I would definitely recommend doing that. Fourth, next thing is, do not worry about your sub count. That is one of the people's biggest issues. They worry so much about their sub count. They get scared. They're like, I don't have as many subscribers as some of these other YouTubers, some of my friends. The problem with that is you're going to worry so much about subscribers, you don't care about the content. Sometimes they don't care about the content they put out. They get so overwhelmed by worrying about subscribers. It just takes time. So the biggest thing is, do not worry about your sub count or the likes you have or the views. It will take time. You're not going to be famous overnight, most likely. So, and a lot of people that worry about their sub count, they'll quit because they're, like I said, they worry about it too much. But keep on putting out content. But if you put your mind to it and know that you're going to do something good, and you take your time and this is what you really want to do, you will grow. It just takes a lot of time. Number 5, this one is really important. Streams equal watch time, videos equal subscribers. You will almost never get subs from live streams unless rated, but videos are your growing points. But you need 4,000 hours of watch time for monetization. So you need to go live for that reason, and also to get to know your fans, get the connection, and to go more in depth with that. When you live stream, you most likely will not get recommended as much. You might get recommended, and you might get a couple of subscribers here and there. And like I said, unless if you get rated. So if like a big YouTuber's like, hey, go check out this channel, and they might go subscribe. But unless you get rated, you almost will never get subscribers in a live stream, but you will get watch time. But you won't get as much watch time in videos, and that's because videos aren't as long as you can make them. Unless if you want to, you could make a 10-hour live stream, 10-hour video, but you most likely still will not get watch time. If you have a 1-hour live stream and you have 8 viewers, then and they watch the whole time, that's 8 hours of watch time. So if you want watch time, I would definitely go for streams. Number 6, do not just post videos or live streams, because if you do, then if you only post videos, you will not get the connection with your subs like you would if you streamed. Also, there will not be as much watch time. And if you only live stream, you will rarely grow and get subs. A lot of people's problems in this is they will always go on and start only live streaming, and they won't grow, and then they get discouraged, or they'll only do videos and they'll only have a little bit of watch time and a little bit of stuff when they get big. So, and like I said, do not worry about subscribers, but just subscribers come from videos and watch time comes from live streams. Remember that. That's a very important key in YouTube and a career in YouTube's. Okay, number 7, the final one, and can be one of the most important ones, which is thumbnails. The thing about thumbnails is that is the reason why if you do get on the recommended is only half the work. Once you get on that recommended feed, you're gonna have to there's gonna have to be a thumbnail or something to make them click on it. Because if they see a thumbnail or just a random picture from your gameplay, or if they see one that's really extravagant and colorful, they're gonna click on the one extravagant and colorful, most likely. So you have to put a nice thumbnail, a good thumbnail. While this is going, I'm going to put some thumbnails that my thumbnail maker Conmans 3609 put out in the background, just so you can see what they look like, see some things you can click on. So thumbnails are very important to YouTube and how everything is. So yeah, so I would really recommend thumbnails. You do not have to do thumbnails, but to grow, in my opinion, thumbnails are one of the most important things you need to do. So yeah, that's the 7th and final one. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. It means the world. If you haven't and you like the video, please, it would mean the world if you like the video, only if you want to, and also maybe hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and only if you want to. So yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Goodbye.